Alright guys, so due to insistent public demand, let me upload step by step process para maging maganda yung natin, maging maganda yung discussion natin right here. So let me just prepare something. Ayan. Okay. So we have here your example 1.A and your example 1.B. So these are the two examples na sinolve natin kanina. Okay, so let's try to first solve your example 1.A right here. Now, keep in mind that when we are dealing with your electric field of a point of charge, meron tayong dalawang formulas for that. Okay, the first formula is your E is equal to F over Q. Okay, yan yung ating first formula for the electric field. Okay, the second formula is E is equal to K. And then we have your point charge over R square. Now, ginagamit natin yung formula na ito guys if yung problem is involving, and look at this one, merong involved na point charge and merong given na distance. Okay, so we cannot use this formula right here. So yung gagamitin natin na formula is this one. This was derived from your Coulomb's law. Okay, so let's do it step by step. Of course, just like any other physics problem, we try with the given. Diretso na tayo sa given, guys. So, first na given natin dyan is your point charge. Point charge is represented by your Q. So, that is 2 nanocoulomb or 2 times 10 raised to negative 9 coulomb. Okay? And we have a distance. The distance naman is represented by your R. That is 5 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters. Kasi nga, millimeters. And millimeters times 10 negative 3. Okay? And, kailangan natin yung K. Why? Kasi yung ating formula is equal to K times Q over R square. And K is a constant. Meron siyang constant value. Ito siya. 8.99 times 10. Take note of this one Positive 9 times 10 raised to positive 9. And M square over C square. And also, yung E natin, which is the unknown. So, simply using the formula, E is equal to K Q R square. So, K times Q divided by R square. So, substituting 8.99 times 10 raised to positive 9 Newton meter square over C square. Okay? Times Ayan, Q divided by R square. Yung Q natin is right here, 2 times 10 raised to negative 9 coulomb divided by R square. Yung R natin is 5 times 10. Okay, the point na. Pero anyways, 5 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters square. Now, dito na tayo nagkakatalo, guys. Okay? Um, merong mga calculator, just like what I am always telling you, the digital calculators are just going to input all of the numbers, lalabas na yung sagot. And yun yung calculator na ginagamit ko right here. Okay, so let me show you, hopefully makita. Yan. I do not know if you see that one, guys, pero let me just check. Ayan, so nakikita. Ayan, lakihan ko lang ng konti para kita yun. Okay? So, that is simply 8.99 times 10 raised to 9. Yan yung exponent 9 sa aking calculator times 2 times 10 raised to negative 9 divided by 5 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters square. Okay? So, right there. And I was able to, arrive with the answer 719,200. Okay? 719,200. So, if we're going to, yung sagot natin dyan, 719,200. Okay? And we try to look, check natin kung ano-ano yung mga, ano-ano yung pwede nating ma-cancel out. We have your M square m square. C square, so tanggal yung C. C. So we are left with Newton and over C. Newton per coulomb. Or, in our example, ginawa niyang scientific notation. Pwede natin siyang i-convert into scientific notation, which is simply 7.19. Move lang natin yung decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 raised to positive 5 Newton per coulomb. So, this is our answer for door 1A right here. Okay? Now, yung answer natin na ito, guys, gagamitin natin to for the second problem. So, let's proceed with the second problem. Ayan, kung medyo merong part na hindi maintindihan dito, no, ulit-ulitin na lang yung video clip. Ayan, let's proceed with the second problem right here. So, example 1.b, sinabi niya dito is we need, eto na, to calculate the force exerted on a point charge by an electric field. Ito naman, yung force na yung ikakalculate natin. Okay, so this is the question. What force does the electric field, yung nasolve natin before, found in example 1a, exert on a point charge of negative 0.250, so it's microcoulomb. Okay, microcoulomb. So this is simply negative 0.250 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulomb. Alright? So, we're just going to use the following formula. Ito na. Okay, so since force yung gagamitin natin, merong dalawang formula for the force. Number one is yung Coulomb's law. F is equal to K, the absolute value of Q1, Q2, R square. Absolute value, dito yung straight line ko dito eh. Dito yung regardless if it is negative or positive, it is positive always. Okay? Ito yung first formula for the force. The second formula is yung simply electric field is equal to F over Q. Okay? And if we're going to simplify that one, we could simplify that as, since F yung hanapin natin, F is simply Q times E or E times Q regardless. Okay, so dalawang formula for the force. The Coulomb's law and we derive from the electric field. Since, guys, we were able to solve for the electric field kanina, okay, yung gagawin lang natin or yung pipiliin natin na formula is this one. Okay, so let's start with the given. Okay, yung hinahana or yung given, we have your charge. Charge is negative 0.250 times 10, negative 6 coulomb. Now, probably you might ask, sir, oops, apay nga small letter man dito yan. Diyo muna diyo muna kit big letter. They are both charges, kaya lang yung first kasi, yung first na problem natin, it's a point charge. So, we use capital letter Q. Okay? If it's a test charge, we're going to use small letter Q. Pero regardless, we are talking about the charge. Okay? So, just to, tell the difference right there. Now, ano pa? We have the electric field. Ano yung electric field natin? Ito yung una nating na-solve kanina, guys. Ito. Newton per coulomb dito, ya. Plus tarot lang basit, guys. Pangit kasi na. Newton per coulomb. Dapat ganyan. Okay, so ito yung electric field that is 7.19 times 10 raised to positive 5 Newton per coulomb. And we are tasked to find for the force. This is the unknown. So, formula. Okay. So, formula is simply F is equal to QE. Substitute negative 0.250 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulomb times 7.19 times 10 raised to 5 Newton per Coulomb. Okay? And let's try to solve that sa calculator. 0.250 or 0.25 exponent or times 10 raised to negative 6 multiply 7.19 exponent positive 5. Okay? So ano yung makukuha natin from the calculator? We have F is simply 0.17975. Now, ano yung magiging unit? Look at ito, cancel yung C, cancel out yung C, we are left with Newton. Okay? And then, anong tawag ito? Round off to final answer. F is simply two decimal places. 0.180 Newton or 0.18 Newton. Okay? So, ito yung na-solve ko na problem. Alright? So, that's how we solve for this problem right here. Now, these same steps no, na ginawa ko dito, ito rin yung kakailanganin ninyo dun sa problem na linagay ko sa Google Classroom. Alright? So, ayan. Merong nag-notif. Okay, so hopefully you were able to hopefully nakatulong yung ano to, yung what do you call this one, yung video na to. Okay, pasensya if kanina I wasn't able to express it on a step-by-step basis, pero thank you for pointing this out and for reaching this out that I need to present to you the step-by-step process. Maraming salamat and good luck. And bye-bye.